Your coworker just pulled up in a brand new BMW. Your college friend is posting from Bali again. And you are sitting there in your family's 12-year-old Toyota wondering what you're doing wrong with your life. Here's the secret. You are the one winning. I've helped millions improve their finances, and I'll reveal how their success is costing them everything, and why you're quietly pulling ahead. That coworker with the luxury SUV, they don't own it. They're leasing a $60,000 vehicle for $800 a month. After paying $28,800 over 3 years, they have nothing to show for it. Then they lease another one and start the whole cycle over. On the other hand, your family's 12-year-old Toyota is fully paid off. It doesn't need premium fuel, insurance costs less, and maintenance is predictable. That's actual wealth preservation, while your coworker is just throwing money into a depreciating asset they don't even own. Now, let's talk about social media. Instagram shows you the vacation, not the credit card statement. Your friend posting from Bali likely put the whole trip on a credit card at 24% interest. And the designer bag your neighbor showed up came with 4 easy payments. Sounds harmless until it joins 6 other BNPL charges. Here's what nobody tells you about buy now, pay later. It makes you forget you're spending real money. Those $200 designer jeans split into 4 payments feel like just $50. A weekend trip broken into installments doesn't even register as a major expense. But add up all those easy payments, and suddenly you're carrying $3,000 in short-term debt that compounds faster than you realize. When someone making $75,000 is living like they make $150,000, the math doesn't math. They might look rich, but they're actually drowning in debt. They're just one car repair away from financial collapse. This is the game everyone's playing. Finance the appearance of wealth, then post it online to get validation, and conveniently ignore the statements piling up. But here's where it gets interesting. Real wealth looks nothing like this. Real wealth is boring. It's maxing your Roth IRA every year. It's hitting your 401k match. It's automatically putting 15% of your income into index funds before the money even hits your checking account. Real wealth compounds silently in the background. If you invest $500 a month into index funds and average 11% per year, you'll have $1.2 million in 30 years. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's time and compounding working in your favor. All you have to do is start investing now. Open a Roth IRA, set up automatic transfers, and buy VOO. Watch this video to get started today, even with as little as $100, and let compounding do the heavy lifting.